Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to make a brief summary from sources on Google NotebookLM. So as you guys see, I already have my Google NotebookLM opened, and I'm going to select one of my sources that I want a summary of. So make a brief of this topic. And as you will see, he will just write you a perfect summary of this topic, so let's just wait a bit. So as you see, guys, it's a perfect summary, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.